I'm always trying to tell people about how we, in this day and age, are constantly being affected and bombarded by electromagnetic fields and microwave emissions coming from our smart devices, these cell phones and Wi-Fi boxes. And here's just a simple speaker amplifier you can get Bluetooth to your phone, and I got an app on the phone that takes my microphone and amplifies it. Now I'm going to show you the area of these pockets or bubbles that we have around us, especially around our heads with cell phones. Alright, here goes. Now when I turn this on, it's going to get noisy. Maybe. Hold on. Alright. I turn this on. And I'm going to turn the speaker on, and I'll show you the bubble. Okay, we are clear right now. Let it stop, and then without a sound I will lay it on top of this. That's how far away I got to take this to get out of that pocket. Now watch, I'll stop and bring it close. Now that's probably about 2 or 3 feet from each other. And there's where that stops. Probably 5 feet to 6 feet away. And it's the same way all the way around the device. Watch as I come in from the top. Listen when I take the 3 devices together. Okay, I'm sure that's enough for you to get the point. Now that is what's going on around our ears and eyes and brains constantly. And the greater the smartness of it, in other words, Wi-Fi and the amp boxes and stuff like that, the greater that bubble is. It's making us sick, people.